interrupting my lessons, aren't you? Yes! Okay, guys. So, do you remember? Sit here, Arlo, please. No! Just a minute. Do you remember that the last week we were trying to find things that require electricity to work? So, this is what I found. I found a clock, my laptop, my remote control, and my cell phone, and so many things. So now we're going to think about where does electricity come from in these items. So first we need to know the vocabulary for that. So here we have a cell. What is a cell? Usually we know them as batteries, but when we just have one, it is called cell. Actually, there is a brand called Duracell. Do you know that brand, guys? This is one cell. As soon as we have two or more cells, that is a battery. And we can find batteries in many different ways. I'm going to show you one in a minute. We also have a plug, which is like the thing that you connect into a socket. And from all these places, we can get electricity. So, for example, in my clock, we can find a cell. So my clock uses a cell to work. So the clock is getting the electricity from the cell. Okay, so now my remote control has two cells, which means it has one battery. Okay, also my laptop, maybe yours won't work like this because this is a bit old, but the laptops used to have this kind of batteries. Okay, and here's where all the power comes from. I also have my TV here, and I'm gonna show you the plug, and the electricity is coming from this socket. Get closer, camera. Right here, socket and plug. You have to be very careful, guys. Never put anything in here. It may be dangerous, okay? So what about your things? Could you please tell me, from all the items you find at home that need or require electricity to work, where does that electricity come from? Goodbye.